Hang a bag with water in your kitchen and discover its benefits. If you stay until the end, you will learn to improve the edge of your knives. Cut the aluminum foil into 4 parts and make balls with them. Fill half of the bag with water and place the paper balls inside. Tie the bag with the elastic band. This will scare away flies thanks to the reflection of water and aluminum. In the butchers, you will see this to keep them away. Place it in places where there are flies. The second trick is to apply toothpaste on your knives. You need toothpaste and a ceramic cup. Clean the knife and apply the paste evenly on the blade. Let it sit for a few minutes. Turn the cup over and sprinkle salt on the bottom and edges. Rub the knife with toothpaste on the edge of the cup. Toothpaste is an anti-corrosive that will eliminate the rust from your knives while the cup and restore their original shine and edge. Subscribe for more tips.